Let's talk about your financial future. Where do you want to be? Now, consider where you are today. The difference between these 2 points is your performance gap. It's the distance between your current reality and your desired financial destination. Closing this gap requires a plan, consistent effort, and the right mindset. Think of it like building a bridge. Each step you take, each financial decision you make, brings you closer to the other side. Financial freedom. But here's the good news. You have the power to control the speed at which you build that bridge. By making smart choices, investing in yourself, and understanding the principles of wealth creation, you can accelerate your journey and reach your financial goals faster. Remember, becoming a millionaire isn't about luck or inheritance. It's about taking control of your finances, developing a wealth-building mindset, and taking consistent action. Let's explore the key principles that can empower you on this exciting journey. Understand this fundamental truth. Your income is directly proportional to the value you provide. The more significant the problem you solve, the greater the value you offer, and the more wealth you can generate. Think about it. A doctor who saves lives provides immense value and therefore commands a high income. An entrepreneur who creates a revolutionary product that solves a widespread problem generates significant wealth. So, ask yourself, what problems can I solve? What skills and talents can I leverage to provide value to others? The answers to these questions hold the key to unlocking your earning potential. Remember, wealth creation is not about selfishness. It's about making a positive impact on the world by offering solutions and improving the lives of others. When you focus on providing value, financial abundance naturally follows. Imagine a Venn diagram with 3 overlapping circles. The first circle represents things you enjoy doing, your passions. The second circle represents things you're good at, your skills and talents. The third circle represents things people are willing to pay for, market demand. The intersection of these 3 circles is the sweet spot, the point where passion, skill, and profit converge. This is where you'll find the most fulfilling and financially rewarding opportunities. When you pursue a career or business that aligns with your passions, leverages your skills, and meets a market need, you create a recipe for both personal fulfillment and financial success. You'll be energized by your work, excel in your field, and be rewarded financially for your efforts. Take the time to identify your passions, skills, and market opportunities. Explore different career paths, research industries, and network with professionals in your areas of interest. Finding your sweet spot is a journey of self-discovery that can lead to a life filled with purpose and prosperity. Escaping the traps. Aligning your career with wealth creation. Many people fall into the trap of choosing a career path for the wrong reasons. Some chase passion without considering earning potential, ending up financially unfulfilled. Others prioritize money over passion, leading to a life of dissatisfaction and burnout. These are the passion and money traps, and they can sabotage your journey to wealth creation. Remember, true fulfillment comes from finding a balance between what you love and what allows you to live a financially abundant life. Don't be afraid to pursue unconventional paths or explore emerging industries. The world is changing rapidly, and new opportunities for wealth creation are constantly emerging. Be open to learning new skills, adapting to market demands, and embracing innovation. Remember, your career is not a life sentence. It's an evolving journey where you have the power to make choices that align with your values, passions, and financial goals. By avoiding the common traps and making conscious decisions, you can create a career that is both personally rewarding and financially prosperous. Building your wealth. Machine active and passive income strategies. Imagine 2 vehicles for building wealth. Active income is like a motorcycle. Fast, agile, but requiring constant effort to stay upright and move forward. Passive income is like a car. It requires initial effort to get moving, but once it's cruising, it can continue generating wealth with less direct input. Active income is earned through direct effort, like working a job or running a service-based business. It's essential for building a solid financial foundation and generating income to invest in passive income streams. Passive income, on the other hand, is generated from assets that work for you, even while you sleep. This includes investments like stocks, real estate, or online businesses that generate income without your constant involvement. The key is to diversify your income streams by combining both active and passive income strategies. This creates a more resilient and sustainable wealth-building machine that can weather economic downturns and generate long-term financial security. Start by identifying your strengths, interests, and risk tolerance. Then, explore different active and passive income opportunities that align with your goals and resources. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. And by consistently taking action and diversifying your income streams, you'll create a solid foundation for lasting financial freedom. Time mastery. Optimizing your schedule for financial success. Time is your most valuable asset. It's finite and irreplaceable. Yet, many people squander this precious resource, leading to unfulfilled potential and financial stagnation. Mastering your time is crucial for maximizing your productivity, achieving your goals, and building wealth. It's about making conscious choices about how you spend each hour of your day and aligning your actions with your priorities. Start by tracking your time for a week. Use a time tracking app or simply jot down how you spend each hour. You'll be surprised by how much time is wasted on unproductive activities. Once you have a clear picture of your time allocation, identify areas where you can cut back on time-wasting activities and dedicate more time to activities that move you closer to your financial goals. Remember, time management is not about being busy, but about being productive. It's about focusing on high-impact activities that yield the greatest returns and ruthlessly eliminating distractions that derail your progress. The power of persistence. Overcoming obstacles on your journey. The path to wealth creation is not always smooth. You'll encounter obstacles, setbacks, and moments of doubt along the way. But it's during these challenging times that your resilience, determination, and persistence will be tested. Obstacles are not roadblocks. They are stepping stones. They are opportunities to learn, grow, and emerge stronger. Instead of viewing challenges as insurmountable barriers, embrace them as opportunities for creative problem-solving and personal development. Remember, success is not the absence of failure, but the ability to bounce back from setbacks, learn from mistakes, and keep moving forward. Cultivate a growth mindset that embraces challenges as opportunities for growth and development. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people who believe in your vision and can offer encouragement during difficult times. Seek out mentors who have navigated similar paths and can provide guidance and support. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs, twists and turns. But with unwavering persistence, a willingness to learn from setbacks, and a belief in your ability to succeed, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve your financial dreams. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on online money-making opportunities.